So some of them have a full line, and then some don't, because I have to factor in from my head. I already have like a couple for the ends. Doing a solo dollar move today. Made a makeshift scaffold. The next one is gonna go up right here. And this is being recorded in Santa Elena, and the project is in Santa Elena as well. Kaya District, Belize, Central America, Latin America, Western Hemisphere. Another one got successfully installed. So the lines that you see in the sheetrock, I'm transfer the center of that. So when I pick up the sheetrock, I just have to screw in. We are rearranging and moving the scaffold. If you can catch on, we're staggering the joint, so no two joints will line up with each other. So to get the cut edge, when you first come in, I'm lining up to where I'm putting the factory edge along that line, that outer line, and then the factory edge over here, and then my cut edge will be here. So when you first step in, you get a straight, clean look of the rafter without any imperfection from my cut. Doing that is I'm measuring from the bottom up, so when you drop it, this side will be facing down to the floor. I'm doing the same thing, taking my measuring from the floor up and then describing where it needs to go, and then I can pop my line. With your line, you always want to do like 2 inches from the edge, because you have that little metal clip there, the hook, and then the first maybe half an inch of the chalk line might not have chalk on it. There you have it. So now I'm just gonna do the stud lines and run my screws, pre-run screws. This one is kicking my brown bazooki. I don't know the measurements from the first cut. I have to trim it twice. The measurement that I took all correspond when I cut it the first time, and then I put it up, it wouldn't go in. Then I tried a second time, wouldn't go in. So now I'm about to have a go at it again. I think the bottom beam might have a major bow in the bottom, and then that is separate and different from the top. So that's probably what I'm dealing with, but we'll see if I can get her up in there. That was a tough round. I felt like the SheetRock was gonna win that one, but eventually prevailed.